Hi, this is Heidi from Marketing Stealth. I'm shooting this video for you. We called you earlier today just to let you know what we can do about our business. I am going to show you exactly how we can get you more customers coming into your door and how we can help you rank #1 in Google. Here, right now, I have your website pulled up. It looks really good. It's a good start of a website. One thing is you would need to have more words on your website just to make it a bit longer. Google likes longer length words. It's really good that you have a lot of places here that you can go ahead and do plumbing and the gallery, and also about what Roto-Rooter is about. You have a good start of a website. It's really good. And I just want to walk you through how we can help you improve. And again, like I said before, get more customers in your door. So I was doing a little bit of research on just plumbers in the Provo area and other surrounding areas. And I came over here. This is the first page of Google. This area right here is called the Map Pack. And the first 3 people are getting traffic from just being in this map pack and having a website and directions and everything like that. So your name is not in the first 3. In fact, when I push view all, it's not in the top ones up here at all either. I've gone down all of them just to see exactly where yours is, and yours is right here. So yours is about on the 4th to 5th page, depending on which website you use, whether you use Chrome or whether you use Windows website. You're on the 4th or 5th page for that map pack there. And then if we go back to the first page here, the first one on the first page is this Valley Plumber. They're ranking, they're getting all these customers, their website is really good. So let me go ahead and pull up their website for you. So this is the Valley Plumbers. They have on their website, they just have a little bit more content. As you can see, their website goes for a little bit. They have reviews, they have just different areas, what they service, and all of this on their website. It's a very good website. They do have their number at the top, as well do you on your website. They have all the locations where they do Lehigh, Salt Lake City. They do different service areas and where you can book an appointment online. Now I threw their website into a thing that we use. It's called Ahrefs, and it's just one of the many tools that we use to rank you higher than your competition. So this is Valley Plumbers, and as you can see, they are getting 11 backlinks, 10 referring domains, and their organic keywords. They have 10 of them. They are, again, right here, they are going up on the first page of Google. If you go ahead and click on the organic keywords that they have and that they're using, that you see that they have Plumber Provo, Utah, Plumbers Provo, Provo Plumber. These are what they're ranking to get on the top of Google. So we would go through and we'd go through your site and we would rank for these keywords as well and do more content on your site. And we'd be able to do like a clickable link right here for the telephone number and just a little bit of other things that would help you rank higher. The second one that we saw down here, we do have the Home Advisors. They are a plumbing group where you pay to be in there, and Home Advisor divides all the traffic it gets between the 25 plumbers. Yelp is a more like Yellow Pages. Roto-Rooter is another one that's up here at the top. It's more of a nationwide company. So that one we would be able to rank higher for you in that one as well. The next one I went down and saw was this Gunther's down here. It's number 10 on the first page of Google. And here's their website. They do have where they can pay their bills online. They're hiring. They have all of this in a nice, neat location. It's more of an updated version of a website and it's very clickable, very well thought of. As well as the Valley Plumbers. This is their Ahrefs. And again, they don't have any backlinks. They have no referring domains. And yet they're using 12 organic keywords. So the keywords that they're using is almost comparable to the ones of the Provo Plumbers. So Provo Plumbers here, you know, they still have, or I'm sorry, Gunther's. They have the Plumber Provo, Utah, Plumbers Provo, Utah. These are the keywords that is helping them rank on Google. Now this is only a certain amount. There, of course, there's more that you can do on here. So back to your website. You do have good service areas where you can go to and a photo gallery. You're doing really good in that aspect. So I did pull up Ahrefs in yours. I pulled up, you have Utah County drain cleaning right here. And you have 14 backlinks, you have 8 referring domains, and you have 73 keywords. Now, the best keywords that you're getting on your website is, it's going to be the drain cleaning Utah County. Now, you are getting about 20 volume right there of that one. Rocket Rooter, you're getting those too, but again, you're on page 4 of Google for that one. Orem Plumber, you would be on page 1, and we could even rank you higher so nobody can compete with you on this. You do have a couple of the Plumber Utah and Plumbers in Utah County. And what we would do is we would actually go through, we'd update your website, we'd make it more user-friendly, more clickable links, and we would put these keywords in there to where you'd be able to rank on Google. We'd also get you higher citations, we'd get you higher backlinks and quality backlinks. We would help you just improve your overall performance on the map pack and on the Google thing. So this is just kind of a quick overview of little things that we could do with you. We would love to go into a deep dive and work more with you. If you would just call us now, we would really love to help you succeed. Our number is 435-233-9105. You can also give us an email at heidi@marketingstealth.com.